Welcome back! Let's hear you scream for your favorite Fatal 80s players! The reigning champion of the greatest hair since 2008! On the bass, Merv Douglas! Bringing in the thunder on the drums, Kevin Starr! Killing it on the guitar, she's all tits and accent, Laura Sagars! And now the guy who fingers his guitar so fast it'll leave you standing in an uncontrollable puddle of your own love, Matt Fuller! And the one, the only, voted hottest MILF in LA, reality TV star and outstanding vocalist, the rad,